Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use public transport in France. Start by buying and validating your ticket, then learn to read signs and platforms, and finally how to transfer smoothly between services. Keep a backup card or app payment ready, watch for strike or service alerts, and travel during off-peak times when possible. I will guide you step by step so you feel confident navigating trains, trams, and buses. Many systems offer single, return, day, and regional passes that suit different itineraries, so pick what saves you time and money. Use contactless cards, mobile tickets, or paper stamps depending on the city and your comfort level. Always validate paper or downloadable tickets when required and keep proof during journey checks. I will explain typical rules and tips so you avoid penalties and make smarter travel choices across trains, trams, and buses. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more travel guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is leak-proof, easy to carry, and perfect for long transit days when you need reliable hydration. It fits cup holders and stays cold, making it ideal for walking between stations and waiting on platforms. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Stations can feel overwhelming, so learn to follow signage, platform numbers, and colored lines to your service quickly and calmly. Use station maps and staff help if you're uncertain, and allow a buffer for luggage and unexpected waits. For regional transfers, check platform allocation early and move with confidence when announcements are made. These small habits keep your trip efficient and reduce stress while you travel across cities and regions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.